You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's fix the your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID error. First, ensure you are not already signed into an Apple ID on that device. Go to settings and check the top banner. If signed in, sign out, restart your iPhone and try again. Use a different email address. The one you're using may already be associated with an Apple ID. Try creating the account on a computer via Apple ID Apple.com instead of your phone. Disable any VPN or proxy service as Apple may block suspicious IP addresses. Ensure your device has a strong, stable internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Check that your device's software is updated to the latest iOS version. If you recently created an Apple ID, you must wait 24 hours before creating another. For age restrictions, ensure your birth date indicates you are over 13. If you are using a non-standard character in your name, try using only letters. As a last resort, contact Apple support for direct assistance with account creation issues. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.